And now, First Warn 5 weather.
It's 6:42 this morning. We're taking a live look at Sky 5 in Wesco, where there's not the kind of dense fog that we saw yesterday morning. It'll be a little bit hazy at times, but it's not going to get widespread dense fog like we saw yesterday. That is the good news there. It'll be a little bit easier going this morning on the roads. And it's going to be a wild 24 hours of weather. Let's track it for you. We're showing radar right now, and mainly what we're dealing with is some cloudy skies out there. This is ahead of the first of two cold fronts it's going to be working in. This first cold front isn't going to do much. It's just going to break up those clouds and bring some drier air in here. Notice there's not a whole lot of stuff going on around it right now. It's not going to cool us down. There's going to be no change in temperature. This is going to be a very warm afternoon as that drier air comes in. Now, this cold front to the north, which is right behind it and will be arriving this evening, this is the cold front that's going to cool us down in a big way. So not cold today, but it's going to get cold tonight, particularly late tonight. And the combination of these two fronts is making things very windy. Unusual that you have two fronts back to back. And the combination of both of them is making for a very windy day. The winds are light right now, but they will not be light later today. Cloudy skies. I think actually around 9 a.m. the clouds are going to start breaking up, and the threat for fog pretty much over with there. And even the fog that forms isn't going to be that widespread dense fog. Notice that by noon, we're going to have mostly sunny to partly cloudy skies. And then this afternoon, lots of sunshine. Highs in the low 80s, and it's going to get very windy. Gusts around 40 miles per hour this afternoon. Now, clear skies all night long tonight. It's not going to be too bad early this evening. It'll still be kind of on the warm side, but late tonight our temperatures just fall into the low 40s early tomorrow morning, and wind chills will be in the mid to upper 30s. So it's going to be a shock to the system from very warm conditions this afternoon to very cold conditions tomorrow morning. Jackets will definitely be needed, even though you won't need them today. And in the afternoon, upper 60s, that is going to feel quite a bit cooler than today, but that's actually close to normal. A normal high for us is 70 degrees, and we'll be close to that. And it's going to be breezy tomorrow, but not as windy as today. All right, so let's recap here. Cloudy and patchy fog this morning, but then those clouds breaking up. And for the rest of the day, the afternoon, we're going to have a whole bunch of sunshine and highs around 82. It's also going to be windy, with gusts getting up to 40 miles per hour, maybe 45 out by the coast. And that is going to make it feel really crazy out there, warm and windy. And it's going to stay windy early this evening. Winds sustained about 25 miles per hour. They will drop to about 10 miles per hour early tomorrow morning, but even that's going to be a factor because our temperatures are going to be in the low 40s. So you factor in those winds, it'll be about 10 miles per hour, and it's going to feel like the mid to upper 30s early tomorrow morning. So low 80s to feeling like the mid to upper 30s early tomorrow morning. It's going to be one heck of a temperature swing. We also have a red flag warning in effect today. That's because the humidity is going to be dropping as we go through the day, and it's because it's going to be getting so windy. And a red flag warning means there's a high risk of wildfires. It's in effect from 10 a.m. to 7 p.m., so do not burn anything outside right now. No trash fires, no bonfires. Be careful if you do smoke. Put out your cigarettes in an ashtray. Don't just throw it out the window. And avoid parking your car in grassy areas, because sometimes even just the hot exhaust from a car can be all it takes to start a little grass fire that can quickly spread with the windy conditions that we'll have. So a high risk of fire is kind of like what we saw earlier in the week. That'll be in effect today and kind of tomorrow too, because tomorrow's a day with very low humidity and breezy conditions. Starting out in the low 40s, but we warm up into the upper 60s. Saturday and Sunday, the weather's going to be about identical. Cold mornings around 40 degrees, but pleasant in the afternoon, pretty close to normal. And sunny skies 3 days in a row with bright, clear skies, hardly any clouds. We will have more clouds on Monday, but we stay dry and it's going to be very comfortable. Temperatures in the low 70s. A few showers late Monday night. During the day Tuesday, a cold front's going to be moving in, and highs will be in the mid-60s, and it's going to get even colder. By Wednesday, we may only have highs in the upper 50s. The rain showers will be coming into an end, though, so enjoy the warm weather day because it is going to get cooler pretty soon.